the Mantello lighter that I ordered off Amazon. This is a review on it. My first time using it. First time filling it up. We're going to see if it lives up to its quality. Came with some instructions in case you may need that there. And this is the lighter itself. Shine a little light on it for us. But here we go. Lighter. Let's open her up. And this is one with a punch on it. So you can cut your hole in the tip of your cigar. I find that to be a better quality cut. I myself like the punch. And that's how you strike the lighter. Now let's go through filling the lighter. First thing you want to do before filling it, it should come empty if you order it new. But if you're refilling an old lighter, the part where you fill it in, you want to press down on something, press down on that with something to let all the old gases and air out of it. You hear it go if there's something in there. Of course, this one is brand new, so it doesn't have anything inside. So let's go with filling your lighter. Now when filling the lighter, you want to make sure you have butane. Don't get lighter fluid. Make sure you get butane in a can with the nozzle, like so. And what we're going to do is turn that upside down on the hole and press till it'll come out. And do that about 2 times. And the lighter should be full. And give it a little time to cool off because this is quite cold when it comes out. So it's about cooled off now. Let's give her a strike. And there we go. We got flames. That's a 3-torch lighter. I got it for like under 15 bucks. And it's not bad. A nice fancy look. Nice torch. And that is my review on the Mantello lighter and how to fill it. I like the lighter. Has a nice black sturdy case on the back of it. A nice luxury looking front end. And then you got your cigar punch. So can't ask for too much more in a lighter. I like it. And so far I will buy it again. If you like this video, I also want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, you can leave that for me too.